convert between areas. Now, hopefully we know that area is square units. So if you find, the area of the floor, you would say like, it's 42 square yards, or you might say 42 yards squared. But the key is the units are squared. So yard squared is the same as like yard times yard. It's there twice. So if we are converting, we need to do conversions twice. So let's convert 950 square feet to square meters. Okay, so 950 square feet to square meters. Now this, we're kind of starting with a hard one, but that's fine. I can't go straight from feet to meters, but I can go meters to yards, and I know yards to feet. So the first thing we're going to do is convert these feet to yards. So I know that there are 3 feet in 1 yard. But look at this. In the denominator, I have feet, but in the top, I have feet squared. The exponent is a 2. So that means I need to do this twice, because feet squared is the same as feet times feet. So now I have feet cancels out feet, and feet cancels out feet. So now we're good, although I need a 3 down here. Okay, so I did that twice. So now I'm in square yards, right? Because I have yards twice. But that's not what I want. I want to be in meters. So I know that 1 yard is the same as 0.914 meters. Okay, so yard cancels out with yard. So I need to do it again. 0.914 meters is 1 yard. So yard cancels out with yard. If you're not writing this out and using units, you're doing yourself a disservice. Okay, so now I'm in meters times meters, which is meters squared. So my math is 950 divided by 3 times 0.914 times 0.914, right? We multiply in the top, we divide in the bottom. And that'll give us an answer of approximately 88.18 square meters. Let's do an easier one. Convert 2 square miles to square kilometers. All right, so I have 2 square miles. All right, well, I know that 1 mile is 1.61 kilometers. But again, I have 2 of these miles, which means I need to do this twice, which is why in every dimensional analysis video I do, I talk about the units. You have to let the units guide you. You have 2 miles, so you need 2 miles in the denominator to get rid of them. So now I take 2 times 1.61 times 1.61. And that gives me 5.1842 square kilometers. Convert 2,000 square centimeters to square meters. Okay, so again, this is do it twice. Like when you see square units, think do it twice. Because, let me just kind of do this little thing. If I have 200 centimeters and we're changing to meters, well, meters, decimeters, centimeters, millimeters, right? So, because this is units here in the middle. So I would say, well, if I start at centimeters to go to meters, I go left twice. Okay, but we have to do it twice. So I'm going to go left 2 times and then left 2 times again. So if I start with 200 square centimeters, I go left twice and then left twice. So this is the same as 0.2 square meters. Just like we did this, right? But like a lot of times when we work in the metric system, we use the power of 10 and move decimal places. Makes a difference. 40 square yards to square feet. So if I have square yards, I know that 1 yard is 3 feet, but I have to do it twice. Square units means 2 times. So 40 times 3 times 3 gives me 360 feet squared. Make sure your units at the end is also in square units. And that's it.